Indoor air pollution is present in both urban and rural homes. Urban homes have a problem of dust, dust mites, moles, and volatile organic compounds. Volatile organic compounds are formaldehyde, benzene, xylene, toluene. These are present in pressed wood, paint peelers, in dry cleaned material, in room fresheners, in plastic furniture, in leather furniture. They are emitted from various kind of materials which you wouldn't even know. VOCs present in the air can cause irritation of ears, nose, throat, eyes. It can cause headache. It can cause even cancer. Liver kidney problems have also been known due to VOCs. So how come you never knew about VOC before? This is because India has very few emission norms. Even your household appliances may have VOC emissions, but the standards are not well known. That's a major problem. But due to indoor air pollution in India, there is 1.5 million premature deaths every year. India ranks among the top 10 countries having a very high level of indoor air pollution. So what can you do? I do three things to keep my home clean. One, I dust regularly, I vacuum. Obviously, you must be doing that too. I get rid of moles. What are moles? Moles are basically a type of organism which grows when there is increased amount of humidity. So you have to remove damp and humidity from your home. For that, you can use soda bicarb kept in cute little containers in different rooms, which absorbs the humidity. Third thing I do is I have plenty of indoor plants. What kind of plants? I have bamboos, I have palms, these are special indoor palms like aruca palm, I have peace lily, I also have spider plants, I have snake plant. So all these are indoor air plants which absorb the VOCs in the air and keep the indoor air clean. Now, Royal Atmos is an Asian Paints new paint which they have launched, which has this amazing property of absorbing VOC. How do they do that? They have a special activated carbon coating which causes the VOC in the air to be absorbed. The only down of this is it is available only for 2 years. After that, what you have to do, you have to find out by visiting the website and talking to them. Right now, I have my plans fully chalked out. My new home is ready. I want to go for Royal Atmos of Asian Paints, which means you're going to have pure, clean, fresh air in your room every time you breathe. You won't be troubled by VOC. You won't be troubled by the fear that you're breathing in air which is full of chemicals which God knows what's going to happen to you. The main problem of VOC is people who are allergic and children and older people, they might have a increased problem of respiratory distress. They might have attacks of asthma. They might have attacks of allergies. So you have to prevent this. You can go for Royal Atmos. Thanks.